Yes, we can start, sir.
Okay. I just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. So, hi, Yashwant. Do you have any particular question?
No, sir. I just joined to get some knowledge from you.
Okay, sure. So, I guess the first important thing is about this final exam, which is coming up. I guess it's what 2 weeks from now. No, Pramod, do you know when is the final exam?
Okay, just I have to check, sir.
Okay. Anyway, so in the final exam, it is all MCQ. Okay. So Yashwant, so basically there'll be, I think, 50 questions. Most of the questions will be MCQ type, but there'll be some where you have to do one of the two ways. You have to do some computation. So NPTEL will provide you with a calculator, online calculator, and you might have to do some simple calculations. So either type in the answer or you have to do some calculations to choose one of the answers. So there will be some numbers in option A, B, C, and D, and you have to calculate and see which one is. So there is always a range. So say suppose the answer is 2.9. So any number between maybe 2.7 and 3.1 will be accepted. So you don't have to worry too much about if there is any problem with small changes while you are computing. Okay, so that is not an issue. So because the range is reasonably good. So, but nevertheless, you may have to compute some things and choose the right number or close to the right number. Okay, and the rest of the questions will be MCQ. So a word about MCQ. So most of the questions in MCQ will be from assignments and also the lectures. Okay, the slides which have been posted. So if I am not mistaken, close to 80% of the MCQ questions will be either from the assignments or from the slides. And only 20% are open questions, so-called open questions, which are basically that it is still from the material, but you might have to think a little bit as to how you can get to the answer. Okay, so the answer is not straightforward and obvious, unlike the other 80% of the questions. So Yashwant, please keep this in mind. And I am saying this because some people can go back and see this video which is being stored, so that you can get an idea about what will happen in the final exam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the way NPTEL, this dynamics and control NPTEL will work. So it's important that you go back and see through the assignments. It is important that you go back and see through the slides and also try to understand what each one of the slides, what are the main concepts. So some 20% of the questions will be based on concept. Okay. So where are you from, Yashwant?
Sir, I am from Chandrapur district, Maharashtra state, and right now I am pursuing MTech from VIT Vellore in Control and Automation.
In Vellore?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So which part of the dynamics and controls course was useful for your MTech?
Actually, sir, I studied robotics in my second semester, so it drive me to take your course and to study some extra knowledge from that.
Okay. 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 So have you done, so there is also a course on robotics which I offer. Have you ever done that?
No, sir, but I get to know about your book on robotics.
Okay.
Yes,
But there is also an NPTEL course on robotics. It was offered this term only, but hopefully it will be offered next year also. It is offered once a year. So please keep a lookout if you do want to understand dynamics and control and also kinematics and robotics, then that NPTEL course will be, I think, useful for you.
Okay, sir.
So what is your project on? Yashwant?
My project is on 2D of aero system, controlling of
What
pitch and
was
yaw of 2D of aero system.
2 degree of freedom? What aero systems?
Yes, sir.
Aero means aerospace.
No, sir. 2D of aero system on Conser model I have applied my controller. I have designed a controller and observer, sir,
Ah,
for controlling the pitch and yaw angle of aero system.
okay.
It's a Conser
Okay.
model.
So it's like a drone or a airplane or something like that.
Yes, sir.
So this is theoretical work or is it an experimental work?
Sir, I have applied my controller and I have got some output also, desired results.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay.
Right now
Where have you applied your controller on? What hardware?
on Conser hardware, sir. Conser 2D of aero system.
I don't know that. Okay.
In my lab, it was there, sir, Conser model.
Hmm.
So I applied.
Conser. What is the spelling?
So QUANSER. Conser.
Quanser. Okay. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I hope this course was useful because if you see in this course, a lot of dynamics. So it's like two parts in this course. Half of it is dynamics, half of it is control. The control is mostly linear control. Okay, you have root locus, you have Bode plots, and you have state space. So these are all classical linear control methods. And of course, dynamics is, without dynamics, you cannot do control. Without the equation of motion, you cannot really study control. So Pramod, can you see if there is anybody in YouTube?
YouTube, I don't see anyone right now. No one.
And no question and
No, nothing.
nothing in the forum also.
Yes.
Yeah, so we are here. We'll be here. So the other thing, and other people can also see the recording of this. So this is the last,
Live session.
meeting. Okay, last meeting for this course before the final exam. So if anybody has any questions on this course, after this meeting, you need to send email to Pramod or to me. Okay, because we will not be meeting anymore like this uh, over Zoom or any other way after this. So who is there in NPTEL review? There's I can't call NPTEL review. NPTEL ISC is Bharat, right?
Yes, sir. The NPTEL review is our team only, sir.
Oh, your team only. Okay. Fine. Okay, good. Ashwini.
We can wait for a few more minutes, sir. If no one,
Yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait. It is only very close to 4:10. So we'll wait till 4:15.
Okay,
And if nobody joins, then we can close it.
okay.
Pramod, just to wrap up things, so there was a PMRF TA also, no, for this course? No, huh? Hi, Pramod. Okay, Pramod, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So so there was a PMRF TA for this course, no?
For this, I don't think so. Like
No,
this time
okay.
we did not have.
Or this time we didn't have, okay, fine. Okay. So nothing to do with this course. Pramod, we'll meet today at around 8 p.m.
Ah,
Okay?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So nobody yet on the YouTube link, right?
No, sir.
So another few minutes and then we can close.
Can we wind up, sir?
Just one minute. Another 2-3 minutes and then we'll wind up. Okay, it's 4:20, 4:22. So another 4:25 we'll wind up.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay, so I think let's close. Bharat, can we close?
Yes, we can close, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I'll leave the meeting.